This is the iPhone 15 Plus in the green color. Let's go ahead and open this up and show you guys all around. First things first, we have these little tabs here on the top and bottom. Really excited to see what the green looks like. And check it out, guys. This is the 15 Plus in the green color. You see it looks very, very minty. Go ahead and peel this out. Super satisfying. Let's take a look around the green color here, starting with the bottom here. We can see the nice Type-C port right over here. Got our microphone and speaker grill. And overall, I love how slim this phone looks. Then with the 15 Plus, we can see the double camera here in a diagonal pattern. And inside the box, we're going to have a USB Type-C to C cable here. It's going to be nicely braided. Unfortunately, it's not color matched. It's going to be a standard white color. And that's pretty much it here. The only thing you're going to have here is a little eSIM information and a white sticker. Would have wished they would have at least given you a green color, but that's pretty much it. All right, here we have the phone powered on. With its quick start guide over here, I'm going to go ahead and set this phone up very quickly. All right, now we have the iPhone 15 Plus completely set up. As you can see here, very easy to set up. You can see what's new with the 15. It's going to be the dynamic island feature right on the top here. That's going to be an amazing feature to have. It makes the iPhone experience feel new in case you're coming from an older iPhone. And overall, guys, I really like how this green looks. Personally, for me, I would have preferred a darker green though. But if you're into a minty green, then this is definitely a nice looking phone. But from a distance, it doesn't really scream green. But let me know what you guys think of this color. As for the phone itself, the 15 Plus feels really nice in the hand. It's very slim, which I like a lot. But for me personally, since I have smaller hands, I would probably prefer the iPhone 15 with the smaller screen, as it would be a lot easier for me to do a lot of things one-handed. But if you prefer the biggest display, then definitely the 15 Plus is going to be the one for you. Hopefully you guys enjoy this unboxing and first impressions of the 15 Plus in the green color. Thanks so much for watching, guys.